I already have a point of sale and accounting software. Do I rip it all out? No. Remarketly connects to what you run. It doesn't replace it. Meet Nadia at Bloom Cafe, Abu Dhabi. She runs Foodics at the till and Zoho for her books and won't migrate a thing. She doesn't have to. Picture the pipeline. Your point of sale keeps running. They're getting gigs running with the API. Remarketly sits between them, and every sale becomes a WhatsApp contact. 2 ways to adopt software. Rip and replace. Migrate everything, retrain staff, double entry. Or plug in, keep your tools, wire one connector, live in 48 hours. Here's the key step. Nadia's Foodics till rings a 62 dirham sale like always. Remarketly turns that receipt into WhatsApp and saves the customer. No double entry. The data lands in one place. The till walk-in, the Zoho invoice, and the WhatsApp chat all become one profile for Yusuf. One number, one history. The connector list is short. One click for Shopify, Square, Foodics, and Toast. Payment via Stripe, Tap, and Hyperpay. And a REST API with webhooks for Zoho, HubSpot, or custom. Keep your point of sale, your books, your online store. Remarketly adds the WhatsApp loop that turns every sale into a customer you can reach again. Zet Remarketly, Daddy-o.